Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show where my goal is to help you increase your print-on-demand sales by suggesting niches that either are in demand or will be in demand in the near future. So let's get to it. First, how about the organic top 10 best sellers here on Amazon merch specifically? We've got some NASA Artemis shirts. We've got Abraham Lincoln ripping the electric guitar. We've got the 420 shirt with April 20 coming up. We've got a shirt that says you rushed through your test with a Barbie. I don't know if that's okay or not in terms of like safety because it does have a Barbie on it. I'd stay away. Next shirt says director, there was a mistake. And then it says sopranos, it was the altos. Altos, it was us. Tenor, there was a mistake. Basses, what page are we on? So I guess it's a music shirt. Interesting, 34,000 BSR. Next shirt says sometimes I just be farting. It's one of those like retro monotone shirts with like the all green one color shirt. The last two here behind me are America 250 year anniversary. So that's on the high end. I've mentioned last week that I don't upload any NASA shirts personally, but I'm a little bit unsure if they're okay or not. I just would stay away. All right, how about niche number one now, hand selected by me. Before it was just the top 10, which are based on BSR, which we can see because I use the Merch Dominator research tool. Now niche number one, let's look ahead to May again. We didn't talk about all the niches that are going to be popular in May. And I write these down every year when I see them kind of emerge. This is one might be easy to overlook, probably not on many people's bingo cards for the month of May. May 18th, Speech Therapy Day. This is on my short list of niches every year that pop off in terms of demand because it does just that, because based on the past, it has been in high demand. So Speech Therapy Day, May 18th, it's time to get those listed for sale. Some examples here, communication looks different for everyone. So, I mean, sign language is speech therapy. The next one just says speech therapy. It's a little bit hard for me to read, but it looks like it's got a bunch of different like cognition, articulation. I'm trying to see if I can squint and read. Swallowing, voice, social, language. So it's got a wheelchair in there. I don't know if that's relevant or not, but just some interesting things. Like I would say deep dive into these, see what's popular. You know, give the people more of what's working, I would say. It's a good day for speech therapy. Speech therapy is my jam, the one behind me here with the strawberries. Here's a couple more. Professional yapper is that first one. A lot of the coquette designs. Speech therapy with the hearts. Your words matter. Speechosaurus. Speech therapy with hearts again. And then speech therapist with the rainbow here behind me. So there's a lot of different ways to get some shirts listed in this niche. And you know, you can make evergreen sales, but it definitely is going to reach a peak in the month of May, mid-May. All right, moving on, niche number two, Memorial Day plus. Here's the thing, Memorial Day shirts each year, they're not like a bestseller, but I think this year specifically, Memorial Day shirts will be extra popular because they're going to be combined, or you can combine them with the 250th anniversary. Now, here's the thing. I've seen the reports that Amazon merch may reject 250th anniversary, but you can list them through Amazon FBM, through Amazon Seller Central. I would recommend that if you're not doing that. I can't imagine a world where it makes sense to only list on Etsy and then not even list on Amazon, right? Or only list on Amazon merch, but not be listing on Amazon Seller Central or Etsy. Or only Amazon Seller Central, right? Which seems to be the rarest case. I don't think anybody only lists on Amazon Seller Central. So hopefully you guys get what I've been preaching now for so many years because it works for me. Every year you hear me say the same thing. Guys, I'm generating six-figure, not just sales, profits, the actual reason we're here, the actual way to replace a full-time income, which I know is a lot of people's goals. You gotta be listed everywhere. Make yourself easy to find. Some people, they go straight to eBay when they wanna buy anything, including t-shirts. Are you listing on eBay? Did you know you can very easily? It's just as easy as listing on Etsy. Anyways, you guys get the gist of it. Memorial Day, cross-niched with the 250th anniversary of the United States of America. That's going to be really popular this year. You know, here's a couple examples that are indexed when I search Memorial Day on Amazon, but I bet you anything as we get closer to Memorial Day, which I should have put the date. What is Memorial Day? I know it's late in May. Was it May 25th? May 25th. You got time. By the time we get close to it, guys, you're going to see a lot of new shirts, new designs with that 250th year design. Plus, by the way, you know, on Amazon merch, well, I'm not saying, okay, Amazon merch, again, you're responsible for account safety. I was just going to say you can do front and back designs on Amazon merch if you never tried, in case you see something like this and you get inspired. But in terms of like what you deem safe for your account and whatnot, always do your own research. Moving on, niche number three this week. Oh, before we get to niche number 3, I've got a free print-on-demand course linked below. I just need your email address, and I have a free print-on-demand Facebook group linked below as well. If you want to network with other POD sellers, that is linked below. Niche number 3, poker. Poker shirts, they're an evergreen. They do well year-round, but the World Series of Poker begins at the end of May typically. The World Series of Poker happens every summer in Las Vegas. I'm not saying you should ever say WSOP or World Series of Poker. I bet you those get rejected. But just in general, it's kind of like how I told you, what was it, a week ago, that golf would be at its peak in terms of interest out of the whole year. Why was that? How did Ryan predict that? Oh yeah, because the Masters, the most, relevant, most popular golf tournament was on that weekend, right? And what do you know? All of a sudden, golf is at its peak. Simple golf designs, just generic golf designs, were as popular as they've ever been that weekend, right? You're going to get the same thing for poker at the end of May when the World Series of Poker kicks off. At least that's my prediction, and we typically do see confirmation of that each year. So, plus poker shirts are a lot of fun. First shirt says, overall pick, by the way, 400K BSR. We can see that because I use the Merch Dominator Chrome extension, so I actually know how well these are selling, right? And I can see that with the Chrome extension on Amazon. I can actually do my research on Amazon, the way that people shop, except I'm looking just as a seller doing my research. So make sure you check that out, linked below, if you haven't used Merch Dominator before. It also is great at finding emerging trends. You guys have probably heard me say that. But I bought this shirt with your money. Hilarious. Next one says, I don't even fold my laundry. Next one says, just fold. I have it. Next one says, it's a phone saying I call, and then it's it's a chair saying I fold, and it's a ladder saying I raise. And then the last one here behind me says, that's what I do. I play poker and I know things. Here's 5 more poker hands, and then it's got them all defined. Next one says, world's best poker pro ever. Next one is just the straight flush. Next one is, or no, it's a royal flush actually. Next one says, I don't gamble. I invest in the outcome of the game, which is hilarious because professional poker players probably find that funny. Next one says, Texas Hold'em Master. So there's a bunch of designs there, guys. Here's 5 more actually, just showing the suit of the cards. A pocket shirt with pocket aces. Love that. World's okayest poker player. That's probably a funny gift to give. I could see it if it's like you're somebody who likes poker, your little sister might get you that shirt to make fun of you. I've got a big pair. Weekend forecast, 100% chance of poker, 0% chance of folding. Anyways, all right, there you go. You guys got some ideas. Also, Vector Stock. You've heard me talk about it recently because they have one of the biggest libraries for print-on-demand sellers of vector graphics, okay? And they have a filter for print-on-demand specific optimized designs. Here's just a few, but there were hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, related to poker. I will link to Vector Stock in the description of this video. Moving on, niche number 4. Pope Leo was trending. You remember how I mentioned that Merch Dominator can help you find emerging trends? Well, all you got to do, guys, is in the Merch Dominator web app, which is at merchdominator.com, linked below. Don't even search for anything. Go to their best sellers page and then sort by newest, and it's going to look for newly submitted product listings on Amazon, which is a data point that they do share, that have sold, which is another data point that they do share. When I did that, I noticed there's some Pope Leo shirts trending, assuming something happened in the news. And look at the BSRs here. The first one, that's actually sponsored, 1 million BSR. The next one's not sponsored, 200K BSR. The next one, 130,000 BSR. Next one, 170,000. Then the one behind that, 237,000 BSR. So whether this is a trend that's just going to come and go or not, and you can even see this one right here. Amazon says new on Amazon this past month. But if you use the Merch Dominator Chrome extension, you can just scroll down. You can see exactly when it was posted, or the web app also tells you. But Pope Leo could be a trend that is around for a while. Maybe it's just coming and going. Also some evergreen potential there. Here's a couple more. Team Pope Leo, I Heart Pope Leo. A picture of him. I don't know if that's okay or not, unless it's an original photo. But the Chicago aspect leaning into that as well. All right, niche number 5 this week. How about Mother's Day? Do not overlook Mother's Day. But here's the thing. It's not just Mother's Day. There is a specific design that does well, really well, like way better than people expect, every Mother's Day since a few years ago, and every Christmas since a few years ago. And I don't know why. I don't really need to know, though. I'm just trying to make money selling t-shirts. It's my son-in-law is my favorite child. It's the son-in-law aspect. I do not know why this is so popular, but this is going to be like the 3rd year in a row at least, maybe the 4th, where my prediction is that we're going to be talking about the son-in-law is my favorite designs doing extremely well, not just Mother's Day, but Christmas as well. So that's the thing. If you start posting these guys, you have the potential to not only collect a bunch of sales in May, but also potentially at the end of the year. So do not overlook, and there's different ways to go about it too. Like sometimes you cross out daughter and say, my son-in-law with daughter crossed out is my favorite child. I'm the official favorite son-in-law, etc. There's a bunch of ways, guys. I would say this is worthwhile. This is worth, if you're on Amazon merch, low tiers, it's worth a few upload slots because this has big time potential too if you end up getting lucky with your click-through rate and your conversion rate on a new listing. So Mother's Day, but specifically the son-in-law aspect is just really popular every year recently. All right, emerging trends. These are all outperforming their 90-day average BSR. Could be indicative of coming trends. Be careful. Amazon merch is always onboarding new brands. The Michael Jackson shirts are everywhere. That should have been filtered out. A lot of soccer shirts. We talked about that. Patriotism. 250th anniversary. We talked about that. Free mom hugs, probably Mother's Day adjacent if I had to guess. So yeah. Oh, even a poker shirt there down there. So yeah, I mean, everything I'd say we were on top of. Looking ahead, these are hand selected by me, smaller niches. May 18th, Victoria Day in Canada. May 20th, Amelia Earhart Day, so airplanes in the female pilot aspect. May 21st, National Waiters and Waitresses Day. May 22nd, World Goth Day. And May 23rd, World Turtle Day. People love their turtles. All right, so there's just a few smaller niches to attack. The archive, this is looking back 11 months ago. So looking back at May 19th, 2025 to try to predict what's going to be popular in May of 2026, right? Some of these are like sports teams. Be careful with those. But the rest of them, I'm thinking a lot of evergreens. I don't know if there's even that much signal here. All right, removed designs. These were all removed in the last 24 hours. Take a quick peek, either by Amazon or by the uploader. So sometimes, you know, when I see an in-sync design removed, yeah, that person probably got banned from Amazon merch. But when I see like, I don't know, a random design like FCAF, maybe that's just the uploader removing it. Tough to really know. But anyways, wanted to share that with you guys. Linked below is my full print-on-demand course if you want to learn the exact process I use to start and then scale and then automate my print-on-demand business so that I can do things like a YouTube channel to talk about print-on-demand while still growing and scaling my print-on-demand business year over year using things like AI and automation. That is linked below. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.